Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to recreate probably the easiest product on the market. It is the original 101 Ointment Multi-Purpose Super Balm by Lanolips. The reason why it's so easy to recreate is because it's just one ingredient, lanolin. Over on Ulta, it says it's just lanolin, but over on lanolips.com, they list lanolin and vitamin E, but the main ingredient here is lanolin. Lanolin is not vegan, it's derived from sheep's wool, but it can be derived ethically and is a renewable resource. The sheeps need their wool sheared anyway, and the lanolin is derived from the sheep's wool through spinning in a centrifuge process. I'll link down below to some sources where you can purchase lanolin. You can get a whole 13-ounce tub for only $12. So you can definitely save money by purchasing a tub of lanolin and putting it in your own tubes. So make sure you use a heat-safe container when you melt down your lanolin, and I'm just using a hot plate. Obviously, most of you guys won't have this, but what you can do is take a pan, fill it with a little bit of water, put it on about medium heat on your stovetop, and then just place your heat-safe container in there. This is called a water bath, and just mix it periodically to help melt it down. You don't even need to wait for it to be a liquid. Just right around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, it will be liquidy enough to get into your plastic syringes. I'll link down below to where I got mine, and I'll also be sure to link to where I got my squeezy tubes. So I like to place the squeezy tubes in some kind of narrow container. That way when I fill them up, they are sitting upright, and just leave them like this until they fully cool down to room temperature, and then you can put the caps on them. And there you go. That's all you gotta do. It's super, super simple. And personally, this is my favorite lip balm formula. Just lanolin, that's it. And it looks gorgeous on the lips, adds so much gloss. It's such a cheap ingredient. I definitely recommend trying this. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the strawberry version. It has a strawberry flavor oil, strawberry extract, and a vitamin E. You can use whatever flavor oil you want and whatever oil-soluble extract you want, as long as it's lip safe. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I bring this one together. So up in the corner is the exact formula I used. You wanna make sure you're using a safe amount of the flavor oil and the extract. So I added in the lanolin and I let that melt down. And once your product is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, here it's at 133, it's too hot. So I waited for it to cool until around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I went ahead and added in the oil-soluble strawberry extract. Make sure the extract is oil-soluble. Then I added in a flavor oil, and then I went ahead and added in vitamin E oil. You can add vitamin E into the first one if you want to as well. Then go ahead and grab your plastic syringe and again, put your squeezy tubes in a narrow container and fill them up. Let them sit until they cool and then add on the caps. And there you go. Now you have a strawberry scented lip balm. And obviously you can change out the flavor oils. You can change out the extracts to change the story of the product. You can even add in different oils, whatever you want to do to customize it. The main ingredient here is lanolin. Let me know if you guys want to see more formulas using lanolin. I've been experimenting with it a lot, and let me know if you guys want to see a vegan alternative to it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what I should do next as well. All right, I asked you guys to do a lot in the comments, so show up for me. All right, talk to you later, lab cats. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over and binge watch for only $5 a month. Also, if you don't have access to Patreon in your country, you can sign up as a YouTube member instead. If you sign up for the $10 tier on my Patreon, you get a shout out for your small business. I'll have all these brands linked below. naturesmagicllc.com. From Dusk Soapery on Etsy, LloydCandleCompany.com, HB Royal Retreat Store on Etsy, NaturesFarmGirl.com, Let's Blend LLC, at Stardust Bath and Body, HempyGirl.com, ShopLevi's.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, Skin Lounge Co. over on Etsy, BlackPetalBeauty.com, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathAndBody.com, AstariApothecary.com, Reviga Cosmetics here on YouTube, XoreBB.com, PardoNaturals.com, naturalstateskin.com, thenatureinis.ca, nearcatalier.com. Use the code on the screen for 20% off. earthandambernaturals.com, sharkcitynaturals.com, daytorelaxproducts.shop, crownedgloryllc.com, lhscentedsoapsandmore.com, janaerose.com, healthnutbeauty on Etsy, velvettemptations.com, journeyrosebeauty.com, chrbrands.com, Homestead Life Goods on Etsy, CanellaBathandBody.com, MadhouseMamaSoaps.com, Expo.com, Mystical Morning on Etsy, allthingsscent.net, snoota.square.site, 7th House and Oak on Etsy, and mycrownandglory.com. Thank you so much for you guys' support. Without you guys over on Patreon, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So thank you so much.